If you're tossing your food scraps in the waste bin, then you're losing plenty of important stuff that could otherwise be very beneficial for plants. Surprised? Here's how you can use them with the help of these DIY fertilizer recipes from food scraps and kitchen leftovers. Number 1. Banana peels fertilizer. You can use banana peels in many ways to fertilize your plants. Being rich in phosphorus and potassium, using them will encourage growth, increase fruits and flowers, and boost the overall appearance of your plants. Number 2. Powdered eggshell fertilizer. Eggshells are magic elements that can help your plants grow. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, iron, and phosphorus, along with calcium carbonate, which helps the plants grow lush and green. All you have to do is crush eggshells finely and mix them with the growing medium for best results. Number 3. Bone meal. Chicken or lamb meat is consumed most. You can use the discarded bones to create a bone meal. It's one of the best sources of nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. All you have to do is dry the chicken bones in the sun and then grind them into a fine powder. Now, add it to the growing medium for best results. You can also add 2 to 4 spoons of this powder in a gallon of water and use it on plants. Number 4. Fish fertilizer. Fish is high in nitrogen and improves soil texture. It's also loved by beneficial microbes and fungi. Blend the leftover parts of the fish like head, tail, and bones in a blender to make them all in a fine powder. Once done, you can either mix this powder in a growing medium or add 2 to 4 spoons of it in a gallon of water and use it on plants. Number 5. Onion fertilizer. Onions can make the soil richer by adding much-needed nutrients that are important for your plant's growth. Puree the leftover parts of onions and mix them in a liter of water. Leave the solution for 2 days. Once the color of the solution changes, strain the liquid and use it to water the plants after diluting it to a 1-to-1 ratio with water. Number 6. Coffee grounds. Always save the coffee grounds as they're beneficial in a lot of ways for your plants. Coffee grounds also provide a healthy dose of phosphorus and potassium. This improves the seed germination and the overall growth of the plant. You can also add coffee grounds to the compost bin to make it rich in nitrogen, calcium, trace minerals, potassium, and magnesium. Number 7. Molasses plant fertilizer. Using molasses is a great way to increase the microbial activity in the growing medium, which will result in much healthier growth of plants. Mix 1 to 3 tablespoons of molasses with 1 to 1.5 gallons of water. You can use the solution as a foliar spray or pour it in the growing medium once every 4 to 6 weeks for best results. Number 8. Tea fertilizer. Strain and rinse the tea leaves in a strainer to eliminate any milk or sugar residue. Spread them on tissue paper to dry. You can use them directly in the garden by spreading them on the topsoil of the plants. Disperse the contents of the tea bag in the growing medium. It will nourish your plants every time you water by increasing nitrogen levels, improving soil structure, and giving earthworms a delicious meal to eat. Number 9. Vegetable scraps fertilizer. It will be a good idea to save all of the vegetable and fruit scraps of the day, as you can use them as fertilizer. Blend the scraps using a bit of water to make a thick paste. Once done, add a half a tablespoon of Epsom salt and 1/4 of a tablespoon of ammonia and blend again. Leave the paste in a bucket overnight. Dilute the paste with water in a 1-to-1 ratio and add it to the growing medium of plants. It will aid in the overall growth of the plants, resulting in better flowers and fruit production. Number 10. Pasta water. Pasta water has traces of calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and potassium that helps to boost the plant's growth by providing beneficial nutrients, resulting in fuller and lush leaves. Just strain out the extra water after boiling pasta and let it cool before giving a good shower to your plants in the morning. Make sure the water is unsalted and free from oil or other spices. Number 11. Rice water. Do not drain the leftover water after washing rice for lunch. Rice water is rich in NPK and also produces helpful bacteria such as lactobacilli and mycorrhizae that make the plant's roots robust and healthy. If you're using strained out boiled rice water, make sure to mix it with an equal amount of water to dilute the liquid. Also, fermented rice water deters gnats, beetles, and flies. Number 12. Leftover wine. Pour 2 to 4 teaspoons of leftover wine into your compost heap to stimulate the growth of bacteria. which will further promote the breakdown of the organic matter in the compost. You can also mix 4 to 5 teaspoons of red wine with 1 gallon of water to shower your plants with a nitrogen boost. Avoid using an old bottle of the drink. Number 13. Vegetable water after boiling. The essential minerals such as phosphorus, nitrogen, and calcium are leached out from vegetables into the water they're boiled in. You can easily add the goodness of these minerals to your garden by watering your plants with this solution. This will help the plants to grow at a faster rate, resulting in lush growth with better flower and fruit production. Make sure to cool down the water before using it on plants. Number 14. Leftover milk. Milk can be an abundant source of calcium to your plants if diluted with an equal part of water. You can mix the two in a 1-to-1 ratio and spray it on the plant foliage to bar away aphids and other fungal diseases. Research says milk spray is highly effective to suppress powdery mildew on pumpkins and squash. Number 15. Fruit peel fertilizer. According to a study, fruit peels are rich in lipid, protein, ash, crude fiber, and carbohydrates, along with other nutrients which can be beneficial for plants. Boil peels of different fruits in water for 10 to 15 minutes and let it steep overnight. Mix it in the ratio of 1-to-1 with water and use it on your plants once every 6 to 8 weeks for lush growth, along with enhanced flower and fruit production. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.